Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple and basic cup. So here is the reference I will model today. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So here is our cup. So this is the reference I was using. This was the reference and this is our cup. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.